question 3, part E. Given that Zoe won the game in any of the next 3 points played, what was the probability that she won on the first point played? Okay, just as in the previous part D, we're going to break this up into 2 parts. Probably Zoe won the game in any of the next 3 points played, and she won on the first point played. So let's look at the first part of that there. Probability that Zoe won in any of the next 3 points played. Probably Zoe won in next 3 points played is equal to. Now let's have a look. Okay, within the next 3 points, how could Zoe win the game? Starts at 21-20, the score, and within the next point Zoe could win. The chances of that happening is 0.55. So Zoe could win by winning the next point. 0.55 is the chances of that happening. Or, now we use plus for or in maths. Or, alternatively, Barry could win the next point. So chances of that are 0.45. And Zoe could win the next point after that, and then the next point after that. And doing that, Zoe will also win within 3 points. Well, none of the other things will work though. If Barry won the next point here, and then Barry won the next point, and then Zoe won the next point, well, Zoe doesn't win in any of these other scenarios that could possibly happen. The only other thing, apart from Zoe winning in 1 point, Zoe can also win by Barry winning a point, then Zoe winning the next point, and Zoe winning the next point. So, chances are of Zoe winning in the next 3 points is if she wins straight off in the next point, 0.55, or loses the next point, Barry wins the next point, and then the next point is gained from Zoe, 0.55, and the next point is gained from Zoe again, 0.55. So that's a point gained by Barry, and then a point gained by Zoe, and then a point gained by Zoe again. And the total of that, as we can see, either this could happen or this could happen. So, we add up the total, 0.55 plus 0.45 times 0.55 times 0.55 equals 0.686125. Now to do the other part here, probably that she won on the first point played. Okay, probably Zoe wins on first point. Okay, well, we know that Zoe, the chances of Zoe winning on the first point is 0.55. So write that down. Okay, so let's do the whole thing together as a whole, and we know that the denominator must have the highest number. Alright, so answer equals, put the smallest number on the numerator, 0.55, biggest number on the denominator, 0.686125. Okay, so this is the probability that Zoe wins on the next point, given that Zoe has won in the next 3 points played. And we'll do that on the calculator to work out the answer. 0.55 divided by 0.686125 equals 0.8016 to 4 decimal places, and that's the final answer.